Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to bluesun installation side of new standard solution, 30 kilowatt all-in-one cabinet. The inverter and batteries are all integrated in this cabinet. How incredible it looks! Even more incredible is that all the installation and testing work will be finished in half an hour. Let's install the battery first. Two technicians are ready.
Ready, go!
The weight of each battery is 40 kilograms. They looked very easy. We can see how convenient the battery installation is. The batteries have all been installed, less than 6 minutes. How skillful they are! Next step, they will hang on the inverter. The weight of this inverter is 36 kilograms. They proved their strength. How fast! Wow, that was an electric fan play. Only 1 minute, they are done. Here we go. They are connecting wires between inverter and batteries. Wow, professional. The connection is very easy. Everything going well. Now, technicians are connecting Wi-Fi. After connection, they will conduct system testing and data monitoring. They are going to show you how to check it on your phone or computer. Wow, less than 23 minutes. Now, all works done successfully. Good job. bluesun new standard solution, all in one. Very nice.